When you open your personal copy of Captions and Credits, these instructions will be there. I'm going to demonstrate what it is that we're supposed to do. So first of all, we're going to copy everything from our essay into the Google Doc. So I'm going to just Control A, select all, Control C, copy everything, and then return to my doc. I'm going to keep the instructions here for now so that I can keep following them if I need to. So let me go up here now. I've got an outline that I'm going to use, and I'm going to make hyperlinks out of each of these individual favorite things. Now, if you've used really large text for that, you can reduce the font size so that you've got room to also put your captions in here. So this is making a hyperlink for Honduras. I've highlighted the text, but I need the URL. I need the image address. So I'm going to go to my favorite assets, locate my Honduras picture, and go to comments. Control C, copy. When I return to this document, I'm going to click on this little insert link button. It looks like a little piece of chain. You can also go to insert link, or notice there's a Control K keyboard shortcut. We paste the link right here and apply it. Notice that now it is going to have a blue text color, and it's going to be underlined. Now I'm going to be putting my captions after this, so I'm pressing tab a couple times so I'm ready to do that. You don't have to do that just yet, but before you go and do the second item, I want you to paste the entire thing, entire URL, underneath the outline and press enter. Okay, that should turn that into a hyperlink as well. Let me see. It may not. But then we'll have that image address so we can know we need to thank worldatlas.com. So do that for each one of these as well. Let's go ahead and do number 2. Number 2 is the Guam picture. I'm going to return to favorite assets and get it from there. Go back to my document, highlight, and Control K. When I paste that in there and apply, it is now a link. I will also go here and paste it. Press enter so you're on the next line, and you should have all 9 of them like that. So here's Colorado. Let me go get the URL for Colorado and copy. Going back to my document and link and paste and apply. Don't forget we need it down here as well. So there you go. There's the first 3. It's a good idea to go ahead and check them. So that's a link. When you click on it, there is your picture of Honduras. When I check the next one, and the next one, and the next one, they should all open up. Click it, and yes, that worked. And Colorado. That's how I know that these are really the links to those particular things. You'll do that for each one of those. When you're done, we're going to write a caption. So this is where I grew up. My son was born here. Colorado. What did I have to say about Colorado? I'm not sure. I can always refer down to my essay and look at what I wrote about. I lived there. It was great. Okay, so snowboarding and camping. I enjoyed snowboarding and camping there, so I'm going to copy and go back to my captions. See my example here. Loved snowboarding and camping. So this is where like having this be maybe a little smaller font would help. If I just need apples, maybe I don't need all of that now. I've got a link to the apple that I enjoy. So if you can arrange things, make the text sizes, but we really need to see if you have misspelled a word, it needs to fix it. There's really nothing worse than having a beautiful video and then being embarrassed when you show it because you've misspelled some common words in there. And remember, this is not the ultimate spell checker because it's possible to accidentally put a word in there that doesn't really fit. This is a misspelled word, but it won't be caught. but at least some of the basic ones will be eliminated. When we get ready to do our captions in Premiere, we'll come here, copy and paste them into the text boxes.